Okay, drop shippers, this is Amy Hunt, home business expert. I have an amazing product here that you may want to consider investing in. Check out my link in my description for my affiliate referral. I appreciate if you use that. But take a look at what I have in ads and Ecomlad. So it's called Ecomlad. Check out the rest of this video to see more. Okay, so this is Ecomlad. Okay, so it's called ecomlad.com. I'm actually on the ads part. And what this is everything you need to start a really good dropshipping store, whether it's Shopify or eBay. Basically, there are some ads that they teach you how to do or they'll do for you. So you can learn how to do them. It's a really small amount. If you're going to start a business and get serious, this is a great way and a great tool. You don't have to keep searching all over the internet where to find something and how to put it all together. It's all here. I haven't used this extensively. I've used it for the minor things of finding products. I haven't asked somebody to build my own store. I've done it myself. But if you go to build my store, you can hire somebody to do an e-commerce store for you. And these are the things that you get when you do it. So you can just take a look at that. You can see some of their examples, and it's a one-time payment of $500. Not too bad for a store that more than likely is going to do great. And I mean, look at what everything they give you. So it's all set up. I know I've set up my own store, and for them to only charge $500, they're taking a lot of time to set it up. But they have a blog. They have courses. What I'm going to get to are the winning products. But just let me show you the course section. What they'll do is within Ecomlad is they're going to teach you strategies, a niche, a store launch checklist, AliExpress guide, Facebook retargeting, mistakes that kill conversion, that sort of thing. And what I use it mostly for, if you're starting fresh, then hire some of these people. But what I use it for are winning products, and it shows me the products that are selling right now. You can view the product by clicking down here. You can adjust which product and how many orders it's getting. Like, so you don't want 0, but you don't want, maybe you don't want the top because you're going to compete highly. So maybe you're going to target it in a little bit. You don't want a ton of reviews, but you do probably want maybe a few. So let's shrink that down too. So what it does is targets in on those products. And if you're interested, you can go to a niche. I like the niches that aren't going to have a lot of return probability, and then diamond, gold, and silver are the profitability, so the high profits. Now, depending how much you have, it might depend on how much profit you want to get, because usually the more profit, the more it costs. So let's just take something weird like this dinosaur fossil decor and see what it looks like when you're looking at it. So people that are buying this generally are probably more, but isn't this an amazing way to see what other sites aren't showing you? Like, they're showing you the social likes, all the attachments, targeting, how to target, what to target on Facebook ads. I mean, it's amazing. So it is just a totally different way to go about, and it's probably the right way if you really want to be serious about your drop shipping. So check out the link below. If you want to know how to start drop shipping in some basic steps to get started, either sign up for Ecomlad, or I have a course in the link. I'll put it in the link for $5. It'll get you going. But this is amazing. It's everything all encapsulated into one website. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for another video tomorrow on how to find products for your dropshipping store. Again, Amy Hunt, home business expert.